Hello, welcome back, my dear friends, to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, today we'll have some local conversation and quickly, just in 5 minutes. So, let's start. How are you? Means Kem Cho. How are you? Means Kem Cho. Fine means Majama. Fine means Majama. Celebration means Jalsa. Celebration means Jalsa. I means હું. You means તમે. Donkey means ગધેડા. Donkey means ગધેડા. Okay means બરાબર છે. Okay means બરાબર છે. Look dear means જોબકા. Look dear means જોબકા. Shut your mouth means બોબડી બંધ કર. Shut your mouth means બોબડી બંધ કર. Awesome means બહુ સરસ છે. Awesome means બહુ સરસ છે. Silly means babuchak. Silly means babuchak. Babuchak, like that. Where are you going? Means તમે ક્યાં જાઓ છો. Where are you going? Means તમે ક્યાં જાઓ છો. What is your name? Means તારું નામ શું છે. What is your name? Means તારું નામ શું છે. I don't know. ખબર નહીં. I don't know means ખબર નહીં. Go to hell means તેલ લેવા જા. Go to hell means તેલ લેવા જા. Aimlessly look around means ફાફા મારવા. Aimlessly look around means ફાફા મારવા. Elder brother means મોટા ભાઈ. Elder brother means મોટા ભાઈ. Elder sister means મોટી બહેન. I'm sorry means માફ કરો. Don't argue means મગજમારી ના કર. Don't argue means મગજમારી ના કર. Left means ડાબી. Right means જમણી. Left means ડાબી. Right means જમણી. Over excited means હરખ પદુડો. Over excited means હરખ પદુડો. Pleased to meet you means તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો. Pleased to meet you means તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો. Thank you so much, my dear friends, to watching the video. I hope you guys really enjoying my video. So please like the video and share with your friends. And to get more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel.